Hello guys to a 2022 Renault Kadjar visual review. Before we go, make sure to give this video a like, and if you haven't, subscribe to the channel. Compact crossover SUV Renault Kadjar has been developed with the second generation Qashqai and was revealed at the 2015 Geneva Motor Show. The Kadjar shares the same platform as the Nissan Qashqai, which allowed for front and four-wheel drive. Renault Kadjar had a 5-star rating in Euro NCAP testing in 2015. The car received a facelift in 2018. 4 new engines replaced the old ones, minor changes to the exterior design and an updated interior with more space for the items, an updated infotainment system and some changes to the climate control layout. This 2022 model is powered by a 1.5-liter blue dCi diesel engine with an EDC dual-clutch gearbox. What do you think about this Renault Kadjar? Is it better than twin brother Nissan Qashqai or VW Tiguan? Thank you for supporting the channel by watching and subscribing. As always, wish you all a very nice day and enjoy the video.